Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and do your own personal research to see if it is what you truly want to do before you dive into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, these are the assets we will be checking out, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable so that you guys can always make some good amount of money right from here. So this is very important. So now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay guys, right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend and it kept on selling and selling till it got to the support zone. It pulled back and of course went back down to break out from the initial support zone, and of course it's going to be trying the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will be going back on buy trend. But for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. This might not be for a very long time, especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset we'll be checking out is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just the way we are seeing it, okay, it was on uptrend before, but right now it got to this resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment. Might sell till it gets to this support zone. If it's unable to break beyond this, then definitely it will go back up to try out this resistance zone again to see if it will break out from there. For now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below that support zone. That is when it will go back on buy trend. That is very important. The next asset is going to be crash 1000, so let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course it got to this support zone and it is going back on buy trend to keep on buying until it gets to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then definitely to keep on buying. If it does not, it will start selling right from there to try out this particular support zone again. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, so it is more of a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500, and just the way we are seeing it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but it has gotten to this resistance zone. It's unable to break out from there. Since it is unable to break out from there, then it may likely go back on downtrend. Okay, most especially once it breaks out above this support, below this support zone, definitely it will be selling more. So that is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but wait for the right signal before you jump into it. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75, and this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but it was unable to break out above the resistance zone right here, and it still tried it out again, still was unable to break out above it right there. So right now it's going back on downtrend and just broke out below this support zone. Okay, it just broke out below this particular support zone, so it will be selling more. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.